Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 18th of July 2014 market review. The trade for the day regards to newsletters to Soulful Sun. Soulful Sun's code is THS. Last traded price was R25.80, and the objective is to trade it from a high to a low. We call it a short. Entry level is R25.67. It's on the dotted blue line here. If you can break that level, your target price is going to be about R23.12. So the expectation is to go from this level to this level here. Stop loss level is R26.94. Would it bounce and pick up and break this high here, that will be a stop loss level. Close for the trade for today by the end of today. Standard Bank. The date of entry was 27th of June. It was a short sell, means from a high to a low. Entry level was R145.45. Target was R140, and the last traded price was R146.10. Stop loss was R147.99, and the expectation to get out of the trade by the end of today. Current open trades is Mondi, PSG, Discovery, and Truist at this moment. Looking at the top 40 index chart, the blue line is the index. Came down, went up, coming a bit down with a cross here, testing the 20-day moving average as well as the 5-day moving average. Looking at the Dow actually fell 161 points last night, and it is just trading here close to the green line on the Bollinger Bands of 16,973 points. So as you can see, look at this cycles forming here, coming back here, almost lost 1% on the market. That's not a confirmation yet if the market's going to break. Looking at the current future price, they're about 22-24 points positive for the opening at 3:30 this afternoon. J200. You can see basically the blue line, that's the index price, the top 40 shares on the JSE. Also currently trading between the red top Bollinger Band and the middle Bollinger Band of the green line, and it's supported by the red trend line as resistance and the green trend line as support. The big level to track at this moment will be closely here to the 46,400 points. Any time if it breaks it, the next low could be on the Fibonacci of 45,818 points. Currently trading at 46,640 points. Still in a positive channel at this time. Looking at ShopRite, lost a bit of momentum after yesterday's fall. This was the previous day's movement upwards on the market, and it actually lost that volumes as well. Still in a positive channel here, and looking at indicators, there's a bit of a top side movement showing that this share could actually come down if the markets continue to go lower. Look at the RSI also coming down at this moment, and the stochastics also top is coming down. We need to see how the markets are going to open at 8:30 today. Truist, still in the sideways pattern, in the sideways channel. Mr. Price, no ink in this share, breaking new highs, stabilized yesterday close to the 198 200 levels. Willies trading at 81.49, did lose a bit of momentum above the Bollinger Bands, and expectation flow could be here close to the 78 range level. Looking at the indicators, also confirming the breakdown happening here. RSI also breaking down, stochastics also turning the effect from the top. As you can see, here's the tops. Let's go look at MTN. MTN is currently still trading between the green and the purple line. Broke the support here. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder. Big question will be if they can break this 220, 222 level. Will the share go back to 208 level, 213 or 208 level? Or will start stabilizing in the sideways pattern here. So have a close look at the share in a short time. Vodacom lost momentum. Currently testing the previous lows of 125 in the cycles. There's the low, there's the low, there's the low, and there's the low. BGA, Barclays Bank, starting to lose a bit of momentum here on the top. Look at the cycles forming here, and we need to keep a track on this one and close eye if this reversal will happen, if this was just a spike going up in this upward channel. But the positiveness is still the positive movement and the channels. But it's on the high. Standard Bank, frustrated, going sideways, no direction to this moment, and still trading between about 144 to 146. Currently trading at 146 in the short term. Barloworld did break up, testing this previous high here, trading at 104.80. The level to be broken if we're going to see a bit of upside movement is going to be 105.45 if it wants to push up. Indicators jumped up there quite high. Stochastic jumped up there for 1 day. RSI also jumped up. Trader share, of course, due to in this cycle this could be the top of that cycle coming down again. IPL, as we mentioned, this is the cycles of IPL in a downward channel. Tested this green line, lost a bit of momentum yesterday, almost went down to 191 there. So we need to see how this one could open and continue in this downward cycle. If any time it breaks this 200 rand level upwards, you will definitely see a flare up happening in this market here. But the first high to be broken is 196, 197 rand. Then the next level is 200 rand. After that, about 208 rand. Enjoy your trading.